Oh, hi guys! Kind of forgot the video was on for a second, but it's Athaleyah Wolf on Prodigy, as you can see, and nobody has answered my question I asked in the first video I did this. Do you like this or not? Answer down below in the comments. But for now, let's do this problem. It's a simple math problem, and the answer is this. Because I'm very stuck on a certain type of problem. I just can't. But yeah, so I've got 0 and I'm at level 63. And I switched my pets. You notice I had some really big pets. And I only got these little guys. And I'm hoping one of them will do evolution. Because I think like you do evolution when you get to level 10. I don't know. Maybe. Who knows when you do evolution? If you know, also put it in the comment section down below. But for now, this is 669. Ooh, 3 less. And I hope one of them goes through evolution. Well, I guess maybe Sampler will go through evolution. I don't know. Okay, Sampler gains 20 yards. Members get more stars. He or she, I think it's a he, might level up. Yes, but not go through evolution. Who knows when you evolution up? But next time I get an evolution, I'm going to tell you. Oh, yes. Oh, I got a new friend request, I think. Wonder if this came from all the videos I've been making. Okay. Now, friend request. If you are Cassidy Diamond Deer, and you are watching my videos, I am going to accept your friend request. And if you are not Cassidy Diamond Deer, I don't know if you can search for friends with Prodigy, but if you are Cassidy Diamond Deer, I don't know when you apply, but sure, we can meet up if you'd like that. Also, if you would like to meet up, oh gosh, I've got to move this. Then just post a comment and I'll try to find a way that we can meet up. Just post a comment saying your username on Prodigy, like mine's Ivy Oceanhand, which is not my real name, because like some people will put their real name, but that's not my real name.
Captain Jeremiah for me.
And my brother, as he just said, is Captain Jeremiah. So make sure to put your username in. And this is 475 plus another, that's I guess 680. Yeah, I'm just gonna go with 680. No, they would not appreciate that. So I actually got one of these guys. I don't know if they all evolve, but I know this one does. At like level 10 or something. It makes a really cool thing. You know, my big pet that goes.
Wait, that one?
Shh. Well, my brother was asking a question, and yes, it is this one. The one with the little weird birthmark on its forehead. But
Oh, I have a pet that like grows and grows.
yeah, you get that one in like the ship here place. I guess I'm kind of Animal Jam, but we'll go with Mount Shavir.
No, you get that. You get it in the cloud place.
That's what I meant. So he does lots of them at one time. That's not something I would recommend. He does have more than me, so maybe it is a good strategy. 463, and then 798. I'm just gonna go with 798. 2 more and I'd be 800. I guess that's not as big as the last one. But what if they had been 2 and then someone typed, like, made a mistake and accidentally typed in, like my brother would? He gets confused 6 and 9. Great. Well, so that'd be 799 and then 799. Yes, I did. That was a lag. Correct. And then this is, if you haven't played Prodigy in a while, this is what happens when, like, you can complete a certain number of one type of problems. Great. I've never gotten that one before, but I mean, like, I've been doing stuff much harder than this. But okay, let's see if any of that level up. I'm going to hope that at least that levels up. So I want to try to get Fun Keel up, but particularly my water. I have a water Neek that I got, and I really want to get out and level up. I don't know Athaleyah balls. Do you know Athaleyah balls, anybody? But I've got to switch now. So no. But am I not a member?
You're a member, Ariel.
I keep giving you this, like, notification. Well, yeah. Well, when I play back the video, you'll be able to see it, Pilot. So yeah, I'm just gonna. Oh, I wanted to get pets. Like, see when I click this? Oh wait, nope, not working. Grr. You all are right there for now. Now you can't see the thing. Move, Jeremiah. So yeah, I'm just gonna substitute this for this. I forget his name. It's like a squirrel. I have a feeling these two do evolve. Then I'll be this one. So see, these two are my two evolved. I mean, like, I don't believe in evolution. I don't believe it exists, but I mean, like, I like that they have evolution in the game. That's a cool touch. Pomprickle. So Pomprickle was the one that has the baseball, like, keeps on doing this in battle. Like, he has the baseball in this hand. And you like my bangle? It's a slinky bangle. See? It's a slinky, actually. By the way, guys, we are planning on making a very funny baby video. It might be called something like Signs You Are a Typical American Teenager or something like that. And my baby brother, I mean, like, he does this little floss baby thing and this dad baby thing. It's so cute. And he loves watching his baby videos on the phone. We're trying to get him to stop and watch Mr. Rogers because that's supposed to be educational for babies. But Little Baby Bomb is on Wikipedia, actually. So if you don't know, just Google Little Baby Bomb and read a Wikipedia article on it. It's not educational. It does not build patience. So it's more educational than Coco Melon, which is basically like, you'll get well soon, your mommy can tell. My little baby. He watches that all day. It's weird. But we let him watch it if it's in Spanish because
Mom wants everybody.
Jeremiah, I'm recording. I can make him really angry by saying, Jeremiah, I'm recording. Oh, look. Look. I don't know how many of you got that, but my cousins would have thought it was funny. The wheel of choice. The wheel of choice again. The light's really weird. There's a light. Well, actually, it's like a mirror thing, so it's not on the side I'm raising my arm to, but it would look on that side to you. So it's like, see, look at that light. That's why the light's all bright and my face is like deathly white. Okay, 2. So we might have to wind up the video in about a minute. So sorry if you did not enjoy that. I only have 15 minutes of recording time for free, but oh, the Truckle's on level 15. It still hasn't evolved. That's weird. Maybe it's level 20. By the way, if you do not have membership to Prodigy, I don't know how much it is. I didn't buy my own. My mom bought it for me, but I mean, there's so much more you can do if you're a member. It's very fun. I mean, I don't know if you play Animal Jam, but it's okay to be a non-member in Animal Jam. There's some stuff you can do. It's not the end of the world if you're not a member, though. The funny thing is,
it's nicer to be a member.
Josh, Jeremiah, yes, it's nicer to be a member. But he is a member, I'm not. But there's a lot of members in Animal Jam. It's really hard to find a non-member. But there's a lot. But there's not very many members. Oh, I don't know which path follows. See, there's an arrow right here. It's kind of cut off, but you can see it. And then an arrow right here that's also kind of cut off. Going this way. Jeremiah, are you on Prodigy?
I can.
Better get on Prodigy. I'm in Aquaria, and I don't want to.
I just want to make this new gun, Ariel.
Get in unnecessary battles.
It's like amazing.
Yeah, you can see me. Oh gosh. Oh, do I have 4 sneak? Oh, I've already had these for a time. And then this is gonna get this.
Okay, yeah, no.
So great. So I'm actually gonna get this as a pet if it lets me. Because I don't have a forest thief or a forest sneak. But I do have a water need. That's probably my favorite monster. Okay. 24. So this is really easy actually. But 0 is basically the only spawning you. So if you ever go up in a wizard battle against Ivy Ocean Hand, be prepared for 0 because it's my most powerful spell. You can see the inside workings on my YouTube channel. And oh, I've got to say goodbye now. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you thought it was very fascinating. And I hope you have a very great day. Oh, and one question, guys. Do you think you get more subscribers by asking for subscribers or just letting people subscribe if they want to? I've heard both sides of the story, and I want to hear what you think. So post it in the comment section below. And let's see if they evolve. Nope. I haven't evolved. Oh, yes. Evolving. Well, this might not last, so good.